This is Ken Pyle with VOD TV. We're with Ron Cassel. Ron, tell us about Millennium Communications Group.
Millennium is a full-service communications services provider. We build fiber-based networking solutions for all of the major utilities, power companies, government agencies, schools, municipalities, and whatnot. We take the basic resource of fiber, and we go in and we look for solutions that the school districts or the towns would be looking for. We, in essence, give them the freedom to move around their data at speeds that they determine rather than what the incumbent providers will provide for them at the cost associated with it. So, to date, we've built 85 private fiber networks throughout the Northeast. They're primarily used for institutional methods. Backplanes or the speeds through these networks are anywhere from 1 gig to 10 gigs. And we're here at the conference today to speak a little bit about the fiber to the home project that we're building in Vermont. Again, another municipally based project that allows the citizens of the towns that we're doing it for to take control of their broadband future.
And you do both design and engineering, but regarding the project in Vermont, you had to have a lot of flexibility there, it sounds like.
We did. The project was originally funded. It was a $90 million project. It was funded entirely, and then the Lehman Brothers failure happened. The bond markets collapsed. So we had to switch gears and actually go back to the drawing board and design a much more cost-effective network. Still as robust, still as viable as the other network, but with a little bit more tweaking out some of the costs, and we did a good job at that. We brought the cost down significantly, and we were able to build a network.
Well, we started working with Millennium and Matrix, who's a subsidiary, at the very beginning of our project, and initially this was about designing a $100 million project, and of course anybody would be interested in that business. But when we failed to get funding, either in the private markets or from the stimulus, we had to go down to do a much smaller project. And it was very gratifying that Matrix stayed with us. They didn't give it up and say, no, this is too small for us. They stayed with us. It meant a completely different design, a completely different approach, essentially scrapping the old design, starting over again. And their willingness to work with us with where we really were was sine qua non. We just couldn't do the project without it, and there's just no amount of gratitude that I can express that would fully repay for what they've done for us.
So does having both the design and the construction kind of all in that knowledge and expertise in the same company, the same group, does that help when you design these things?
Yeah, absolutely. We have a full staff of engineers. We're a Cisco certified shop, and with all the certifications that go along with that. So we can take a conceptual design from any one of our customers and bring it right through to fruition, bring it in on cost, on budget, all within one house, one stop.
And it's all GSA schedule and that sort of thing?
Correct. We're part of the GSA schedule. We're part of the WSCA schedule, which is the Western States Contracting Alliance. It's pretty much like a GSA, so it allows for public entities to buy directly goods and services from our company.
Well, Ron, I wish you luck with this, and good luck in your presentation.
Well, thank you. Thanks.